Paparazzi, and welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a pair of jacket earrings and create multiple looks to have a unique style specific just for you. A jacket pair of earrings is a pair of earrings where the front post will go into the ear and the back portion actually will go behind the ear, creating a really cool little kind of hug around the earlobe. So really sweet, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can wear this pair of earrings, multiple different styles. So of course you can wear it just like a jacket earring. You can wear these also just as a regular earring. If you don't want to put the backing behind it, you can wear it just as a regular earring in your ear. You also can wear just the front portion. So if you want to just wear the post, you can wear just the post instead of wearing the backing. So it gives you a couple of different options. So on this one, here you have, this is the actual jacket earring here, worn just as you would normally wear it. But if you want to just wear the post, you can wear that as well. Another thing you can do that's really cool is if you have any post earrings, you can take the back portions of your jacket earrings and you can create lots of different looks. So this is the original jacket earring with a larger rhinestone here, but what I did is to kind of soften it, I put a white pearl with the rhinestones behind it. And you can take really any of your post earrings and create a unique look with any pair of your jacket earrings. So take those earrings out at home and try to make these styles just for you, kind of unique to your own taste and your own style, created to go with your fashion accessories that you have in your collection. So hopefully that's an amazing tip for you. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And remember the most important thing, and that is that you, yes you ladybug, you right there, you are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless and have a great rest of your day.